6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. It's been 8 days since we've had any significant rain in the area, but we still have some sparkle across the city, as you can see on our Skycam network, looking in all directions. Beautiful blue skies, all the moisture being pulled out of our region and into this. And of course, this is the remnants of subtropical storm Alberto, now working towards Nashville, Tennessee, believe it or not, on into western Kentucky and eventually up over Evansville, Indiana later tonight and tomorrow, tracking off to the north. We're left high and dry here, as you can see on the satellite and radar composite. And as we pull out a little bit further, you can see again the remnants of subtropical storm Alberto. Look at all the moisture. It's still raining down in Florida from this all the way up through the Carolinas. Of course, Georgia, the peach state there, is really getting pummeled by rain. In the meantime, severe weather breaking out across the plain states from Oklahoma all the way up through Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa. And that is the area where the collision zone is between cool air and this very hot air that's positioned over us. You throw in a little moisture and a disturbance over the top, you get lift, and by golly, you get rain. In some cases, too much of a good thing there in the form of severe weather. The tropical conditions on Alberto look like this, and again, it's about 100 miles from Nashville, Tennessee. Winds are just 30 miles an hour, moving north at 18 miles an hour, and that'll be up into the Ohio Valley by tomorrow, and again, pulling away from South Texas. There's the upper level low, and again, it's going between the high to the east and the high to the west over us. And again, right down the middle is where that system is working off to the north. In the meantime, we're dominated by this high pressure system that stays put over the next several days. We do have low pressure at the surface that will give us more wind here tomorrow and Thursday before it relaxes again. But that high is still right over the top of us by Saturday and into the weekend. So we're not going to see a break in our heat. In fact, it's going to get hotter later in the week. This is a long-range rain model. This is a GFS model. And this is all the way through next Wednesday, not tomorrow, but next Wednesday, and it's still not showing any rain over the coastal bend as our drought deepens. Our winds, well, they're coming up. That's the big change. It's going to be breezy in the morning, so instead of low 70s and below normal, it's going to be mid 70s and above normal the next few nights to upper 70s. Breezy to windy tomorrow afternoon, and again on Thursday we'll start breezy in the morning and pretty windy here in the afternoon, up to around 18 to 25 miles an hour. Highs tomorrow will reach from the mid 80s to upper 80s along the coast to 100 degrees inland. Heat index even higher as seen on our 7-day forecast. 75 tonight, 94 tomorrow, 95 Thursday. Winds start to come down Friday and 95. Then it really gets hot. Upper 90s to near 100 degrees here over the weekend. Those are actual temperatures with 95 again Monday and Tuesday of next week. And believe it or not, Lee and Stephania, no rain in that 7-day forecast.